Well, it's taken quite long to reach here, and I'm very, very grateful to Vishal and T Series for believing in me, especially when you lose the belief in yourself. I think that's very, very important to give me back the confidence that I lost somewhere. And I'm very excited. As you can see, I've given my heart and soul to Wajah Tum Ho, and definitely the way the responses are coming, that will be my reason. Like, it will definitely be something that I'm going to cherish all my life for sure.
Absolutely. Give it up for the gorgeous Sana Khan.
Yeah, again, actually, full credit to Vishal and Bhushan, for again having the foresight and having the belief in their script, their belief in the actor that he'll be able to pull off something that I've never done before, like you mentioned. A cop is not someone, a character that people generally see in me. By virtue of the perceptions I've created by the characters I've played. But this particular role that Vishal wrote for me, he had promised me in Hate Story 3 that now the next film that I make, I'm going to give you a role that you'll really thank me for. And that's the kind of role I have in this film. It's really exciting. It's a great mixture of quiet aggression with a lot of sense of humor that this particular character has. And it's been an absolute joy performing this. Also because of the nuances that Vishal as a director brings in for the actor and ups the challenge for you.
बिल्कुल एक्चुअली जब सोचता हूँ कि पहला शो जो था वो राम था और यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हैं बिल्कुल अलग है लेकिन ये भी बहुत मानना ज़रूरी है कि एज एन एक्टर आपको हमेशा अलग अलग किरदार करने को मौका मिलना चाहिए और मुझे लगता है कि राम के बाद अगर कुछ अलग करने जा रहा हूँ वो मैं विशाल को थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा टी सीरीज को थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा कि जिस कंटेंट को हम कर रहे हैं जो आप लोग देख रहे हैं आई एम श्योर आप सबको बहुत पसंद आएगा
That's great. Thank you. मुझे बताइए.
My experience has been superb. I think firstly, again, I'd like to thank Vishal for this because I've never played a negative role before, and this is a very, very grey zone for me. Usually people associate me with maybe a positive, sweet, good-looking, वो boy next door.
शादी कर ले तुझसे.
हाँ, मतलब वैसा वो Raymond's वाला feel आता है.
हाँ जी.
So, but with this role, I think this was purely Vishal's, vision, and he said कि listen to it. And if you like it, then I'd like you to come into it. And I loved it when I heard the script, when I heard my role. And purely this is Vishal's thing that I got into it. And thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for doing it.
And I loved every bit of doing Wajah Tum Ho.
That's great.